Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ryan from Daily Mac Tips, and today's tip is going to be showing you how to customize your dock with third-party applications. It means you can do much more than Apple lets you do with their built-in settings for dock. So, with the built-in dock settings, uh, basically you can change the size and the magnification, which is when the icons grow in size when you scroll over them, and you can choose the position on the screen, and also you can choose. That's actually all you can choose besides these little effects. But I'm going to show you how to do much more. What you're going to do is going to go. A link will be in the description, but just in case that's not working, go to Google and type in Docker. This is a free application, it's donationware, which you can type in Docker for Mac because Docker is actually another company. But Docker for Mac, download. You can download it on CNET or whatever. But yeah, basically, it's blocksoft.net/docker, and it's a free application. You can make a donation if you want to. I recommend making a donation if you have the money because it's a great application. So you can download it and you can install it, unzip it, whatever. And once it's done, search for Docker in your Finder, open it up, and I'm going to show you some stuff it can do. So first thing we can do up here is you see styles and colors. I have my dock set on 2D. This is one of the nice features of the dock that really I like is being able to change it from 2D to 3D. I don't like the 3D look. It's kind of complex. All you do is click on which one you want and hit apply. And it's going to ask you for your password if you have a password for this kind of stuff. And don't worry, it won't harm your computer. It's really easy. So there we go. Should be working. If it's kind of slow, don't worry. It'll go back up. Don't worry. It just relaunches your Finder, so and all your windows will pop back up. So don't worry about that, guys. Um, but yeah, as you see now, my dock is 3D, but you can also see that it's black. Okay, that looks really nice to me. So if you want to change the dock style of your 3D dock, all you do is look for the 3D dock style table, go to color, and it brings up this really nice color window. So if I wanted to change it to any of these colors, I could. Just for an example, I'm going to change it to a nice blue, okay, and hit apply. And again, it might ask you for your password, but that's okay. It's not harmful. Don't worry. And yeah, so let's watch. It's going to relaunch all your windows, guys. Don't worry. It's just the way it goes. Uh, if you have a faster computer than mine, obviously it's going to be faster when relaunching. But there we go. Now I have a nice blue dock, which doesn't really go with my background, so I'm going to change it back when I'm done. But if you guys say I wanted to switch back to 2D, and then maybe I wanted to switch my outline, because there's an outline on the 2D dock, I'm going to change that outline to blue. Alright? And you can also choose the indicators for your open apps. So I want my indicator to be white. Okay? So right in the middle there. It's kind of hard to get it exactly right, but there you go. And hit apply. And all my windows are going to launch again. Try typing my password. And let's see how this goes. Launches all my windows back up again. Now just for the sake of this, I'm going to go to my next desktop. But as you see, my dock has now changed. And just so you know, guys, I'm just going to my other desktop. That's what's happening when I press Command and arrow. But as you see, it changed exactly to how I wanted it. So there's also more preferences, separator style. That's this line right here that separates your folders from your applications. You can restore to Apple defaults if you're having problems. You can go to settings, icon sizes. I recommend not using that because you can just do that in system preferences. Magnify icon sizes. That again, I wouldn't recommend using that. Dock positioning. This can be all done in system preferences, so I recommend just using the styles and colors. But also, you can choose new minimize effects, like there's scale, which just makes the window scale proportionally instead of doing that Genie default minimize like this. That's Genie. Scale would be just normal resizing down into the thing. And then there's suck, which just kind of takes the application in. You can play around with it for yourself. But basically, there's also stacks and spacers. You can put spacing in your. Say you wanted to have a group, you can group your icons, and you can add an application spacer, and it'll put a space between whatever applications you want. So you can have like sections on your dock. And kiosk settings, I don't really use this, so yeah. So basically, it's for styles and colors, guys. And go ahead and play around with that yourself. Thanks for watching. This has been a Mac daily tip with Ryan on how to change your dock. See ya.